back to my channel. I'm Alicia and I make sewing and DIY fashion videos. For this week's video, I'm going to be making a little winter lookbook. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these fashion videos, so I'm really excited. For me, the season I hate the most is winter. Not only because it's cold, but also because I think I just don't know what to wear in winter. Like for my fashion style, I like a lot of skirts, a lot of florals, a lot of ruffles, and those types of clothes. You see them more in like the spring and summer. However, like fall and winter fashion, I just never know what to wear to like represent my fashion style. So I chose 5 outfits today to, of course, keep you warm during the winter, but also to stay cute. And just before starting the video, I want to apologize if the camera quality is kind of low. I do not have my usual setup. As a light, I'm using the TV right now, so the lighting might be kind of iffy. So I apologize for that in advance. So yeah, let's go on ahead and start the lookbook. So one of the layering keys that I absolutely need during winter is this top from Uniqlo. It's from the Heat Tech section. So it's really thin, easy to layer on, but it does help add that extra layer of heat. And to add some more detail, I put on this lace top from Dynamite. And now that I have all of the layers put on, I can wear the crop top. So the lace undershirt has the Renaissance vibes that matches with this top I got in Japan. And for the pants, to contrast the white, I put on these pink pants. They are new. I recently got them from the brand J.ING on sale, and I do think they are a sustainable brand. These pants are a little too big on me, so I am going to alter them a bit, and I will make a video on that, so stay tuned. So yeah, this is the final outfit. So next I'm going to go for a more simpler outfit and wear this purple turtleneck. I got this one from Uniqlo as well, and I do kind of like how it looks with the pink pants, but I'm going to go for a more neutral color, like these ones. This is a pair of pants that I made from scratch, and whenever I put a colored top, I like to put a neutral bottom, or if I put a neutral colored top, I like to wear a colored bottom. So what I'm going to do to spice up the outfit is I'm going to accessorize with some pearl and gold jewelry. So I got the pearl necklace from J.ING, and the earrings are from Best Dressed and En Route's Jewelry's collaboration. Yeah, honestly, just putting jewelry can really like spice up an outfit. I really like how it looks with a uni-colored turtleneck, and it matches my hair, which is a plus. I'm going to add one more layer to complete the outfit, and that is this purple cardigan. So this is from Petite Studio, which is a New York City based brand, and it's so cute. It has so many details, which I love. First of all, the color is beautiful, and it matches with the turtleneck, with my hair, and it has this little embroidery at the sleeve. So yeah, here's outfit number 2. Alright, so for the next outfit, I'm going to show you guys how to style a cute summer top, but to wear during the winter. So I have this cute floral top from Eggie. However, it does have a sort of like corset-like front and these little ties. So there are openings in the front, which I can obviously not wear during winter. So to fix that, I'm going to layer on a turtleneck underneath. And I also chose to wear these blue pants. I got these at an outlet from the brand Tristan. These are one of my favorite pair of pants. They are so comfortable and they fit me so well. And now I just wear the floral top over the turtleneck. Just like this, and it looks a lot cuter than I expected. I think this is my favorite outfit so far. summer favorite, which is a dress. So I got this dress from Pomelo Fashion, and I layered the same tops as the first outfit. So my Uniqlo heat tech and the lace shirt, and that just adds that extra layer of warmth and also adds a little detail to the dress. And to make sure that your legs also keep warm, I suggest to wear some skin colored leggings. I actually forgot mine in Canada, and to add some extra warmth on top of that also, I'm going to wear some knee-high socks. And there we go, the fourth outfit is complete. And for the fifth and final outfit, I'm going to show you guys my jacket and all the things I would wear if I were to actually go outside. So here's my outfit. I just wore this cute little puff sleeve sweater and also my brown pants. So to make sure I am extra warm and will not freeze out in the Canadian winters, first I have this pink puffy sweater, and then my jacket. This is my favorite jacket at the moment. I got it from the same brand as the purple cardigan from Petite Studio, and I just love the color. So to close it, there's like a little belt over here. I just tie that like this, and there you go. So for some extra accessories, I also have my humongous pink blanket scarf. I also have some pink gloves to match the scarf. And if it gets pretty windy, I like to cover my ears with this cute puffy hat. And of course, don't forget your mask. So this is how I would go out in the winter. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little outfit video, and let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite outfit. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Ali Jansen for more fashion and outfit inspiration. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more sewing and DIY fashion videos, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!